Hey everyone, hi, I'm John, and let me ask you a question. Are you broke and struggling and are looking to make some extra income online? And you've seen this trend of people who are making so much money online, and you're wondering to yourself, how exactly are they doing it? Well, let me show you how, and let me show you a platform that is doing so much to helping entrepreneurs and people who don't have money. And all this information in here is absolutely zero, free. And if you're interested in that, there's a link on the description below. It's a free 14-day trial. It's a free 14-day trial of this platform, and I would, if you want to learn all this stuff and how to make money online, please go to the link on the description and click on it, and you will come to this platform. This is how this platform looks like. It's called Funnelflix. It's the new Clickfunnels platinum upgrade. So it's an amazing software. So this is how the dashboard of the funnel looks like. This is the where they host all the information that they give you for free on how to make money online. Here, as you can see, there are some quick stats here. These are what you need to don't know anything about how to what you if you do not have for you to make money online, you need at least several things. You need to set your mindset right, and also you need a goal and you need a plan. So these quick steps are going to help you with that, and are going to set your mind, and are going to give you at least something to focus on, and something that you can uh, a plan that you can execute each and every single day. Uh, and let me show you one of the platforms here that I love so much is the 30 Day Summit. It's a combination. Let me show you how it looks like. Oh, oh. This is how it looks like on your dashboard, and it gives you and it gives you it brings together 30 people who've already made over $1 million online, and it gives you their stories and how if they lost everything that they had, what will they do from day one to day 30 to make the certain amount of money that they want to make. So, one, you need a plan of what do you need, what you need to do online so that you can start making money. And two, you need a goal. How much money do you want to make? How much in a hole are you right now? How much in debt are you in right now? So you need a goal of what you want to make in the next 30 days. So it will give you a step by step each and every single day. There are 30 different people and their strategies. And if we can have a look at one of them, they will even give you free PDFs that you can download. Like as you can see, they have even free PDFs of the 30-day plan of Traylon, and who is here right now. You will learn what he will do from day 1 to day 30, and then they have two videos. One, him explaining the, the whole 30 days of him explaining the 30 days and how he will do it. And then they have behind the scenes of their funnels. If you know what a funnel is, and if you struggle to find information about funnels, they show you they are behind the scenes of exactly how they make the funnels. Is like extremely valuable because many people don't show you how their funnels how they are, and it's uh, and this information you're getting it for free. If you click on the link below, you get your free 14-day trial. And here's how I would like you to look at it. And first, you need a plan. So please, this is the process that I am using personally, and uh, I guarantee you, if you follow it to the letter, you will have success completely. First, you need to plan on something to focus on for the next 30 days. So the 30 days summit is extremely good for you. If you focus on that, it will absolutely give you a plan on what you need to do today to day 30, and you will make money online. The next one I would like you to focus on, since you only have 14 days uh, free trial, what you can focus on is the first 7 days. Take the first 7 days, just focus on the 30-day summit and the one funnel away challenge. The one funnel away challenge teaches you exactly how to create a funnel. Within that, you're really committed, and if you're extremely committed, you can learn this in just a few days. So you only have 7 days, you only have 14 days of free trial. So use the first seven just to learn the skills that you need, and get your plan ready, and then execute the rest of the 7 days. That's all you need to start making money online right now. It's very easy, but it is not simple. It needs a lot of commitment. So please be the type of person who is committed. So be very committed to whatever it is that you want, and trust me, you will make money. And it has worked for me. I was struggling too. 2 months ago, I was extremely struggling. I didn't have money, but I was learning a lot online. For the past year, I've been learning a lot. Like it took me 6 months to create a funnel. That's that's extremely sad. It took me 6 months to go from not knowing what a funnel is to creating one funnel that was extremely crappy, that was just horrible. And I got to one funnel away challenge, and they taught me exactly what how to create a funnel. And by the end of the whole course, I had made one funnel that I was happy about. That is bringing me results too. So do that. Go to Clickfunnels. Go to the link below right now and click on it. Get your free 14-day trial. Go straight into the funnel clicks, get all this information, and let me show you this part. It has a lot more information than just the two. If you want to learn about some quick stats, there are several quick stats. If you want to learn how to become an affiliate, this is an affiliate bootcamp. You can become an affiliate. There's also documentaries, the 10x documentaries, funnel hacker TV. If you don't watch it, you can learn about it here. There's also several courses of how to build a funnel. There's funnel building, funnel builder secrets, and funnel university. And then if you don't know how to do, copy anything that you write, whether it's on a sales, it's in your email, whether it's on a post on Facebook, it's copy. It's called copywriting. So if you do not know, if you want to learn some skills on how to write better copy on your social media platforms and all your sales letters, you have several courses that will teach you all of that here. You also have traffic if you want to run ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube. All that information is here. If you don't have a product to sell online, they will teach you how to come up with a product in less than 20 minutes. Extremely simple. Simple, simple. If you read the product secrets, you will learn everything. It's business strategies uh, and there's also personal development. You can learn all of that for free for 14 days. So guys, please run, start running. Go click right now below in the description below right now. Bye. Bye bye.